Hey guys, what is up and welcome to a new NVIDIA update video. So today, as per usual, let's go over NVIDIA stock. Let's talk about what is happening with the stock, what we can expect moving forward, and all of that good stuff. So as per usual, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed the video, do not forget to hit that like button. It does help a lot. I would appreciate it. This is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. And of course, my membership section on YouTube is live. The link is down below in the description of the video. For just $2.99 a month, you get access to all my intraday thoughts, post updates on Tesla and the market, sometimes the broader market as a whole, every day. And for $4.99, you get access to all of that, plus NVIDIA daily updates as well. If you're interested, link is below. Would love to have you there. But jumping into a Tesla, NVIDIA closing the day up a beautiful 1% on the day, which compared to the market, nice little inline-ish performance, closing at 128.5 a share. So let's talk about this and what does this mean? Well, thankfully, this could be a pretty quick video because, well, NVIDIA is setting up what looks to be a pretty simple pattern here, which is going to be very nice and easy to follow. One of my favorites, very nice. It's setting up a beautiful looking a double inside day candle. We had a massive green, white, whatever candle 2 days ago, yesterday. Inside day candle today, another inside day candle. So we're definitely building up a little bit of a squeeze here for NVIDIA. So if I open up TrendSpider, if I go to NVIDIA, where is it? NVIDIA, if I go to, let's say, 65-minute chart, you can see it's starting to build up a little bit of a squeeze. I'm actually surprised there's not more of these red circles, but nonetheless, it's starting to build up a little bit of a squeeze over here on NVIDIA, and 15-minute chart showing it a little bit more, right? But the reason I'm bringing that up is because, well, this is where things are pretty easy actually to play, right? Inside day candles like this, again, I shouldn't use the word easy, but easier, I guess to say, to play. Pretty much all you want to do is pretty simple. You look at this, the range of today, and the high and the low. For instance, the high of today was about, what, 127.5. The low was about 129.5. Great. Sorry, not low. So the high was 129.5. The low was 126.5, we'll say. So take those levels, put lines, and if NVIDIA ever breaks below or above one of those levels, you most likely are going to continue in that respective direction. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is foolproof. This could be a false breakout or down. That's always a possibility. But usually with these inside day candles, usually once you start breaking out of this range, you most likely continue in that respective direction. So it's pretty damn simple. So again, another way you can do it, you can also just take these kind of situations like this, and you can draw like trend lines that look something like this. That's another way you can do it if you want. Also a possibility, right? Break above one of these, great. You're probably going to be heading in that other direction. Or you can do something like this, right? Probably going to be going in that respective direction. If you want to be extra safe about it, you can also do it on the larger range. So you can do something like this as well, right? Also, same idea, break above or below one of these ranges, 126 or 130, you're probably heading in that respective direction. So that's probably the easiest way to play it, really. I mean, I just, it's no reason to overcomplicate it. Wait for that. Right now, NVIDIA is just going sideways, like most of course, the market. So, it's just one of those chop days. It's one of those times that you let the market figure out what it wants to do, right? No reason to be a hero. No reason to think you have a crystal ball, because you don't. Neither do I. Let the levels decide for you. Let one of those levels break. There's a decent chance we're continuing in that respective direction. In terms of just really indicators on the 1 hour chart, right? I mean, we still have bearish momentum, right? For instance, on the MACD, right? RSI is definitely, getting away from overbought territories, right? We have the stochastic has slightly reset, though it's technically still, flipped back to being bullish, but, it's not giving too much information. The BX trend is starting to make fresh lower lows. So, the momentum on the 1 hour, I still wouldn't say is very strong. So, that's why there's a chance that the move will be to the downside. But again, no reason to predict it. Let the levels decide for you. Could just be a small little bull flag setting up. That's always a possibility as well. So again, let the level decide for you. The daily chart, take a look at that. We're still holding that very important level. I've been talking about this level for quite some time. It came pretty much right back to the trend line. So far, so good. Held it and bounced off of it as well. And I mentioned before how there is a chance that the cool off that NVIDIA gets will be just down to about this 126 to 127 level. That is still a possibility, especially if this bull flag plays out. This will take us all the way up to about 135 for sure. If not, maybe even all-time highs. Earnings, of course, are in a week. So keep that in mind. But, overall, the daily chart I still think is looking pretty solid. The stochastic on the daily is getting, starting to curl, risking a bearish crossover. It's not there yet though, so no reason to panic. But it's starting to curl, and it's how much higher can this really go? So we'll see how that plays out. But as of right now, and I've said this many times, and I will say it again, it still looks bullish on the daily chart. It's not something I would personally short. If you are trying to short it, and you're really just trying to time the top here, which maybe you get lucky, maybe you don't. Who knows? But again, just a lot of strength, no reason to even try. Maybe if we break below one of those ranges I talked about, that could be an opportunity to short or go long. Of course, all up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, just thinking out loud, not giving any personal advice or anything like that whatsoever here. Just me speaking out loud. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing with NVIDIA. Really not much more to update. It's a pretty simple update video, mainly because nothing happened today. So just watch for those levels, watch for those breaks, and then, work off of that to however you personally see fit. But all that being said and done, thank you all so much for watching. And ladies and gentlemen, NVIDIA, decent call flow today throughout the day, right? By the way, Blockbox and Cheddarflow, great option services. Have a link to them down below with the discount code. So definitely check it out if you're interested. But yeah, that's all I got for you. Really pretty simple video, pretty simple movement in price action today. So we'll see how tomorrow goes, and especially Friday with the Jackson hole. But all that being said and done, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.